Okay, Harley B.
Here's immersive coverage of the siege here at Buffalo Harbor, coming off the eastern tip of Lake Erie. Expected to be 4 feet of flood stage. We've already got an icy flooding that's invading Highway 5 near the Hamburg area at Buffalo Harbor. 20-foot waves just offshore Lake Erie right now. I'm at the marina here at Buffalo Harbor, documenting the siege. Winds gusting 60 to 70 miles an hour here at the Arctic front. But definitely some of the most extreme winter conditions I've ever experienced here in Buffalo. And it's only going to get a lot worse. Of Lake Erie. You can even see some debris coming around. You can see the Buffalo Lighthouse is rising. Big winds coming in, hammering downtown Buffalo. Downtown Buffalo is ground zero with this blizzard so far. I'm using the buildings to shelter to show you these scenes, but textbook whiteout conditions across Buffalo. We've got 45 degrees snows right now. Absolute freezing on everything out here. Very dangerous conditions. Once in a generation blizzard hammering Buffalo, likely even worse than 1977. One of the most extensive, most intense blizzards I've ever covered. Just the feeling out here of helplessness, not being able to see anything, losing your sense of up versus down, the crippling temperatures, the wind chills, the bitter cold. And you get separated from your structure, you're not going to last long out here. It truly is a dangerous, life-threatening weather emergency. We do have a problem. We have people that are diabetic and an asthmatic that are stuck in their car back there, and I'm going to try to figure out a way to get them back. historic blizzard continues to rage here across downtown Buffalo, leaving vehicles stranded in the middle of the road throughout downtown. So this vehicle is actually running, so people are inside there, and you definitely have to be careful that the exhaust pipe is cleared out. Climb on up. I got you.
I can't hardly breathe.
Need help?
Okay, I got you. I got you.
You got it.
I got you.
You okay?
Yes, no.
Great job, Riri. Are you okay?
Oh yeah.
All right.
One more.
All right.
We'll do front seat.
Yeah. All right.
I gotta calm down.
Calm down. Yeah. Calm down. I know it's hard when you can't breathe.
Oh, goodness.
No problem. That's Brandon.
Did you lock the door?
Hello.
Did you lock the door?
You know what? I didn't. Oh my God. I gotta go back and lock that door.
I can get it. You want me to lock it?
Yes, please.
I got you.
Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you, Reed.
Watch your leg.
This is no place for anyone to be. If you are trying to go out the house to get last minute things, you're trying to get closer to maybe one of your family members or friends, please stay in the house. I've been out here since 11 o'clock trying to go get my husband from work. I think literally seeing that myself is asthmatic and my husband is a type 2 diabetic. I say that God put a lot of people in our path today. We're so grateful for the people that he put in our path. Please stay in your homes. It's very dangerous out here and you don't want to get caught in this weather.
It is absolutely brutal out there. I had a couple of good Samaritans that came to help me out. I was stranded on William and Ogden, and my car got stuck, and this beautiful woman back here allowed me to get a ride down here to downtown Buffalo so I can get a little bit closer to my home. Well, we got stuck on the way, and Buffalo is in the weather here it's nothing to be in right now, but I am thankful that this city is definitely a city of good neighbors, because I had so many wonderful people around me and angels around me to get me to where I need to be at. So thank you.
Thank you, and thank you for Reed Timmer for finding them. Finding both of you, all three of you. So.
Yes, thank you.
Thank you.
All right, thank y'all. Thank y'all.
Thank you.
Thank you.